Hello everyone. So today we'll be looking at another array question called shuffle the array. Now I was not going to pick this up, but this question is a lot similar to what we have seen in concatenation of array. Now if you have not watched that video, I will suggest that you first go and watch that and then you come here. Now I'll think that you have already watched that video, so we'll go ahead with this. So we'll go directly to the question. Now we are given an array, okay, and we are given the middle element, the middle index, okay. Now we have to create another array, okay, and what we have to do is at the 0th index, let me first, okay, now this they have named it as x elements, and this they have named it as y elements. So this is x0, this is x1, this is y0, y1, okay. Now what we have to do is we have to order them as x0, y0, x1, y1, and so on, okay, which means first we'll have to put this value here, then we'll have to put this value here, okay. Now increment this index, 2 will go here and 4 will go, after incrementing 4 will go here, okay. Now the method that we are going to follow here is that wait, let me write the array again, okay. Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll have only one pointer, that is I, okay, which we'll use in our for loop, okay, and for every position what we'll do is we'll first place here the value of nums of I, okay, and for this position we will place the value nums of I plus n. So at in our case, say in our situation, n is equal to 2, so 0 plus 2, that is 2, 0, 1, 2. So second index, this will come here. Now again I becomes 1, so at first index we have 2 and 1 plus our n, that is 3, and at our third index we have 4, so 4 will come here, okay. It's that similar. Again here nums of I and nums of I plus n, okay. I think we'll code that and it will be much easier to understand, okay. If you have not understand, please go back and watch this again, okay. We are given n and nums, so we'll create our answer array, okay, and its length will be similar to our nums array. Now for we'll iterate through I, and I will go only till half of that, because we are at every time we are incrementing, we are adding n as well in the I. So if we go more than that, if we go more than half point, then it will give us array index out of bound error, okay. If I goes to 2, and in 2 plus 2 we will give like I index is equal to I plus n, which will give us 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4, and we don't have any index of 4, okay. So this will give us an error, so we'll only go till halfway point. So I less than n, I plus plus, okay. Now our answer at index I, that is going to be okay, sorry, we need another index to take care of index in our answer, okay. This is going to be index, okay, and after, okay, we'll go to that later. This will be equals to nums of I and answer at next index, that is the index plus 1, that is going to be nums of I plus n, okay. Now after that, after this step, we have provided the values for these two, index and index plus 1. Okay, so now we will have to increment our index by 2 so that it does not override this value. If we increment only by 1, then this value will get overwritten. Okay, so we'll increment our index by 2. At the end, we'll return our answer array. So yeah, it's that simple. I would suggest that you watch the previous videos because they are going to be a little bit connected to each other. Okay, the logic, it would be much clearer to understand. And yeah, so if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you want me to solve any other question from any other platform, do suggest me. Okay, yeah, so we'll see in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.